Hi, I'm Rachel Morris. I teach computer science at Dame Allen School in Fenham. They're taking part in a range of workshops, so I believe it's robotics, a gaming session, and then I think they're going to be building an alarm clock with some microcontrollers. So yeah, it's a really exciting day for them to experience university life and to learn about the facilities here at Sunderland.
For today I've been doing some of the robot wars with the guys from my school. It's quite good fun. We've got to code some of the robots. You can alter things like how fast they go. You can have different strategies, speed, stuff like that. You get to knock people out of the ring. It's dead fun.
It gives them a flavour for university life. It allows them to see the facilities like the robotics here and the games lab, which is fantastic. It opens up opportunities, so makes them think about which universities they'd like to study and as well as what courses they'd like to study.
I think this will really benefit me because at the minute I'm struggling to try and look at different universities and places I can go. So finding one that's kind of this devoted to kind of technology in the field that I'm interested in, it's actually really quite good because this would probably potentially go on my list of universities that I might consider going to. My favourite part today has been during the robot wars part where we got to see the robotic dog come past, just because that's one of the things that I'd only ever get to see on kind of a news or TV is kind of a really advanced piece of technology. So seeing it kind of right there in front of you, just in a really casual way, was just amazing. For
the students to do some hands-on programming with the Arduino robots and then for them to experience the games lab as well. So it really gets them thinking about what they want to specialise in when they come to university, what careers are available in computing and technology. So yeah, it's been a brilliant day so far.